We have a 1/50th scale die-cast model of a, I think this may be an MCI bus again, as most of you all know. Yes, well, it says MCI 102 on here. I'm assuming it's not the exact box for this bus, but I believe it's still an MCI bus. Most of y'all know that buses aren't my main thing. Emergency vehicles are, but you know, hey, you need a bus lighted, I'll do it. Anyway, you can see this is obviously a Greyhound. Has the screen graphics on there from the factory of Greyhounds, and then these were added, I don't know, by the customer or maybe some other outlet added these down the line somewhere. The New York, Toronto, you know, neon graphics added to it. Again, those were just vinyl. What's funny about it, that's the line and the bus and everything, the line that it runs, but on the destination board it has Washington on it, so kind of a weird, I guess, oversight by the company making it. I've done one of these in the past. This one's set up just a little bit differently as far as the headlights and taillights go. Need to add a little touch up right here on the front bumper. Just realized that actually that'll come off. Need to clean it up more than touch it up. The way the lights were made on the other one, they actually had clear lenses and everything, where these were painted, so had to do a little extra work to this one. And I don't think on the other one the side marker lights were spaced like this, and maybe one over the wheel wells. I'll have to actually reference that video. I can't remember, but that's the one the customer referenced to do this. This one's set up on 9 volts. The other one, I believe, was for a train layout, so it was 15 volt AC/DC setup. Pretty much the same setup in lighting. Let's go ahead and power it up. See headlights, and of course you wipe this out just a little bit so the camera can detect them. I also have amber side markers on the headlight setup. You probably see the green interior lighting in here as well. Also with this one, I trimmed away a little bit of the step on the headlights. That gives you, if you can see in there, just a little bit of stairwell illumination in there. I kind of added a little bit to it. Thought that was kind of cool to leave that alone and add that in there. So you have illuminated stairwell on this one. Of course, the marker lights, 5 marker lights down the side. Again, one over the wheels here, and then of course 4 additional ones down through there. Again, you can see your green interior lighting in there. On the back, same setup. Red tail lights along with red marker lights up top. And then the same down this side with your 5 markers. Also in what would be the restroom, I added a white light in there as well. So you can knock this all out, you can see a little bit of a dim white light LED in there to illuminate the little, like I said again, what would be the restroom in there. So I left that in there as well, or added that in there. I thought that would be kind of a cool addition. Anyway, there you have it. Again, you wanted 2 feet of wire on this. Since it was 2 feet, I made it just a little bit heavier, and 2 conductor cable type wire instead of just actual bare wire, or not bare wires, but anyway, unpaired. These are actually paired and cased like a microphone wire, so give you a little bit more durability with that. So there you have it. Other than that, it's just a 9 volt battery, 9 volt battery case, the switches on it. Like I said, nothing fancy with this at all, just the battery inside there, switching in and out. Again, they give you 2 feet of room to mount it wherever you want it, so just be out of the way. So there you have it. I appreciate the order. You've already paid. I'll go ahead and get this shipped out. I think I have your address. I may need to get your address from you. You'll see this video and holler at me. So I'll get your address and get it shipped out to you tomorrow if we can get that address. So thanks again. I appreciate it, sir. And like I said, get it back to you soon. You should have it, I'd say, by midweek, later in this week. Thank you very much.